Welcome back, Crew Empire. Today we are here bowling a game with the brand new vintage Teal Rhino Pro 1v1 versus Pops. Got any words before we get started?
Are you ready to go down?
I'm ready to win, so.
Well, you're ready to win this time.
I am.
All right, we'll see what happens after 10 frames.
All right, let's get into it. Alrighty, so while Dad's getting warmed up because he's old and he needs a couple extra shots, I'm going to talk about the brand new Teal Rhino Pro, bringing back the vintage line. Super excited for this one. Dad's got a lot of history with this one. He used this ball when it first came out, and now I'm excited to have it a part of my game. And you know, it looks really cool, looks really pretty, looks basically like the first one that came out. You know, it's too bad that one didn't count.
You're in trouble.
Oh, am I?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You're in trouble. This ball and me, we're like that.
Sorry, you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. This is, I mean, right now, this is bringing back some youth. I'm ready. Got the stash. I think we're ready for 10 frames.
All right, Parker. So I'm starting the match. Teal Rhino Pro. Man, that hit as good as your ball.
I look at that as a good, clean shot.
It was.
All right?
It was.
As long as you make it, then it's a frame filler.
Makes spares no problem. Wow, that was crazy.
That doesn't happen too often.
No.
Did you notice? They all fell over in one ball.
All right, try to make a little better pass than the last one. There we go.
Well, I must admit that was a much better pass you made that time.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
And you got fully rewarded for
I
that.
did.
Yes.
Crazy what happened.
See, that's the way you keep the pressure on your opponents. Fill the frames.
Thanks.
Okay, throw a couple of strikes. Next thing you know, somebody's got their back to the wall. Oh, by the way, that's not me.
So what I've seen so far out of the Teal Rhino in the warm-up shots that I threw, this ball is probably going to be a middle-of-the-road ball for me, and probably a ball that a lot of different stylists can use. It seems like a very versatile piece from what I've seen. Looks like something a lot of guys are going to use on the fresh, and something that's going to be really smooth and really controllable for a lot of different players.
Well, I'm going to go back to when the ball first came out. That's exactly what it was. It was actually on the stronger side, but as time rolled forward, this ball became that ball that was still in your bag, but closer, like you just said, middle of the road ball, but a benchmark ball.
Yeah.
You really knew that you could bring this ball out almost any time, and you were going to see the lane, whether you were going up the lane or going around the lane, exactly like you are right now.
Your ball hit like that, right?
You snapped the 10 out pretty healthy that
That
time.
was pretty good.
That is good.
That was pretty good.
I was impressed with that.
As long as you get the 5 into the 10, that's bonus.
Just remember, right now, I'm in the driver's seat. Did you see the way that that ball cut, went to the right of the 8-pin, but yet the 3-pin come over and did its job once again?
I'll give you that one.
That was pretty solid there.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was
Appreciate that.
That was position A. When your ball picks up and goes through the pins that way, that's really what every bowler wants to see. Woo! Making you work for it.
It's more like I'm making you work for it because I'm putting the pressure on you. Every strike I throw is one more you gotta throw.
Got it. It's in the bag.
That's not good. That was a little too much of something and not enough of something else. You got $1 on the spare?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. That was...
I'm not only winning the game, I just won another $1 too.
You did not strike this much in practice.
I'm telling you, it's revitalizing right now. Okay? I can feel it. The energy level just continues to get higher and higher.
Don't care. Good for you. I'm glad you're striking at this age.
See, yours does go through the pins a lot harder than mine.
That was better, yes. If it splits and he's striking,
you're in trouble.
doesn't matter how well it goes to the pins when it strikes. Lucky to get the 10 out.
I'm sorry?
Lucky to get the 10 out.
Yeah, well, I actually deserved the 7 that time. It was,
All right.
It was wide and I missed it. As long as I make the spare, like that.
Old man is giving me the whooping tonight.
All I can say is you're never too old to still continue knocking them over. Just remember that one.
Or to beat your kids, apparently.
If you think I'm going easy on him, you're crazy. I'm going to put him down as long as I can.
Man, that was really good. Did make a little move on that one. Clearly it
Should have been
pay
something
off.
like the loser had to do push-ups or something like that.
You missed out on that one, Parker. I mean,
Right.
Dad.
I'm still going to get $1 and bragging rights.
Still down 35.
That's all?
And I'm not really bowling that bad of a game. Good shot.
I'm telling you, this ball's bringing back vicious memories.
You did strike a lot with this ball.
Memories. Do you know there's a little tradition of history of this ball?
What?
This is the ball I actually used in the 90s on one of my TV shows that actually I eclipsed $2 million in PBA earnings
With the original.
with the original one. So even though it was a number of years after it had came out, I was still able to use the ball. It's one of the, I'll say, main balls that was still in my bag. I didn't use it a lot because of so many of the newer balls, but the Teal Rhino Pro had its, not just its moment in time, but it had a decade-long range of usable capabilities on a wide variety of conditions. That's something my ball does not do, okay? I'm not gonna go through the pins, throwing them left and right. I like it better when my ball's high flush and they all get put into the back, just like a vacuum, taking them off the deck.
At this point in the match, I think I need everyone I can get. He's got me by a good amount. And that doesn't help my case. Got to apply every little bit of pressure that I can. I am praying for an open frame here. Yo! Biggest break of the match.
Can you believe that?
Good shot.
Yeah, whatever.
One is big. And that was a good one. That's why he's in the Hall of Fame, because he can get that count.
I made sure I looked at the score before I shot that.
So now I have new life in the match, because if I throw all three, I force him to get 20.
He's got no life.
Have you shut me out? No, I don't think so.
No, I have not shut you out. But don't worry, it's over.
I'll just throw one good shot at a time and hope they all fall.
That was very, very nice. I gotta
Still
give you
need
one
two
on
more.
that one. Yeah. In the position you're in right now, and this is for everybody back at home to learn something. You are supposed to try to get every pin you can because there is no determining factor as to exactly what's going to happen when I get up.
On the bright side, I do like my ball motion. I do like what I'm seeing on the lane. And the Teal Rhino is definitely giving me what I want to see. And in a moment like this, when I have to strike, I at least like my chances. Oh, man. Spoke too soon.
Whoop. Now I know it's over.
You want that $1 back?
When I,
$1 again?
you want to go for it again?
I'll go
And the
for it
reason
again.
I know that because even the way that the scoreboard reads now, I do not need a mark in the 10th. I probably need only 8 or 9 pins in 2 balls. I'm thinking pretty confidently I'm going to do that.
Nope. Looks like I won this time.
And I got $2.
Well, he only needs 7. I think he's gonna get it. And that is enough.
I think that pretty much secures victory.
And well, as he's finishing up this match because he's officially beat me, Teal Rhino Pro will be available soon at your local pro shop, or you can head over to buddysproshop.com to get yours today. And that sounded like another strike.
It's a good thing you didn't see that one. Jason Couch would have had a coronary on that shot.
So you sent a message?
No, it tripped the 6.
Oh, okay. All right. Shout out, Jason. Well, everybody, that's going to wrap this one up. Brunswick Vintage Teal Rhino Pro. And we'll see you next time. Peace.